This is a pool cleaning robot. This is the control center for the pool cleaning robot. When you press this, it should light up. It does not. We're gonna fix it. So here is the root of the problem. This plastic will degrade over time, and then, of course, water can get in through all these holes and cracks. I opened it up and let it dry out before. I'm just gonna show you what's inside it now. So here we have the back half, the front. It looks pretty nasty in here. We've got a lot of corrosion from the water damage. Here's the interesting thing to note. This port right here is what goes to the cleaner. We've got 1, 2, 3 wires, positive and negative, and then a brown wire that's probably a signal wire of some sort. So that comes off of here. The only 2 wires between this board and this board are red and black wire, which means this whole side is just the power supply, and this is the actual main board. I can rig something up if I can figure out what voltage this board supplies to this board. There is a number here. It says 28 volts. That's our best clue. I don't have a 28 volt power supply, so I'm going to take a chance on this 24. Alright, there we go. So all I need to do is place the power supply. Found out how we're going to fix this thing, and it just came in. This gets replaced by... To make that work, I took some LED C channel and turned it into brackets. I even tapped a little hole. Let's see what we can get out of this thing. Right at 28. Everything got a little bath. So here's our custom parts list. Some aluminum brackets, some washers from plastic tubing, and some decals. Everything's installed and the pool robot seems to be running well. Let's go check his work.